Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the silhouette effect in Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So we are in Canva. So what I'm going to do is select an image from the left-hand side here. So I'm just going to size it, get it to the right size I want. And then what I'm going to do is remove the background from this image. So I'm going to go up to the top left and click on edit photo. I'm then going to come over to this option that says BG remover, which stands for background remover. So I then want to click on that and get the background removed. So just to let you guys know, you do need Canva Pro in order to remove the background on Canva. If you guys don't have Canva Pro, that is no problem. You can come over to this website called remove.bg, click on this blue upload image button, and then if you upload your image, and then it will remove the background for you for free. And then you can press the blue download button and download it. Then you can upload it to Canva and create the silhouette effect. Okay, so we're back in Canva, and what I'm going to do is just select the image. I'm then going to come up to the top left and press edit photo. I'm then going to go to adjust, which is the middle button at the top. And then I'm going to scroll down to all these options here. So I'm going to click on brightness and I'm going to reduce it right down to -100. Contrast, I'm going to increase up to 100. Highlights, I'm going to scroll down to -100. Same for shadows and also whites as well. And then blacks, I'm going to bring up to 100. And there you go. You can see that we have created this really awesome, cool silhouette effect. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you would leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. We really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next one.